Guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog, guys. We have another vlog. I'm really excited. So yeah, hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, my name is Moyo and I'm a social media manager and content creator and also a YouTuber. I film content around my life as a content creator and a lot more on this channel. So I would like you to subscribe, be a part of the family. I would like to have you, okay? And yeah, like I said before, we have a new vlog. If you're not new here, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my vlogs, okay? So today is, what's today's date? Today is Wednesday, the 15th of October. I'm here for a movie premiere. So the Exco is premiering today. It is produced by Mr. Sean Leketui. He's the producer of the movie. And if you watch my previous vlog, you know that this is not the first time that I'm working with Mr. Sean Leketui. And yeah, I also did some of the promotional content towards this movie that we're premiering today. So I shot some of the promotional content. But yeah, I'm here. Today is the premiere. It's going to be out in the cinemas on Friday, the 17th of October. So the Escorts will be in the cinema. Please go watch it. We're about to watch it tonight, so I'll tell you guys how the movie is. And yeah, but I'd like you guys to watch it. Go to the cinemas, go watch it. What am I doing here? I am the content creator for today. I'm going to be creating content at the movie premiere, so that's why I'm here. And yeah, my work has started already, but I just thought to come and like introduce the vlog to you guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. This is another day in my life as a content creator.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Oh, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that clock to red. I'm here 'cause I hold you for me.
I say thank you, and I would like you to please help us to spread the word. The movie starts showing from Friday in all the cinemas across Nigeria. Thank you so much for coming.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on.
Hi guys, good evening. So it's 5 days after the movie premiere. Today is Sunday and the movie premiere was on Wednesday. And I was just editing the vlog. I want to upload it right now. I just finished editing it and I realized that there was no outro. I did not talk after the video, But I was going to leave it like that, but I think I really need to talk about the movie. It's really important. So yeah, guys, the Exco is out in cinemas, all cinemas in Nigeria. It is out, and I would like to plead with you to please go watch the Exco in cinemas. It is out in cinemas right now, and I watched the movie during the premiere, and it's a really, really nice movie. It's a political movie, but it is not your regular political movie. You know that with political movies come with a lot of maybe violence, shooting, but this is really clean. It's really, really clean. The story is straightforward. It's something that you can watch with your family, with your kids, with your children, and not be worried about anything. Like, the movie is really clean and it is family friendly, guys. Aside from that, the movie is very interesting. There's a very, very interesting plot twist to the story, and I think that you guys should watch it. You'd really like it. It's a really, really good movie. So please go watch the Esco in cinemas. It is in all cinemas, So go to a cinema close to you and watch it. Go with your family, go with your children. It's produced by Mr. Shawoloke, also known as Mr. Bon. And yeah, please go watch it in the cinemas. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you enjoyed watching. Okay, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, like, and everything like that. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.